Pears are not typically the first fruit we think of when we think about starting an orchard. It's usually apples. But let me tell you something, pears are easier to grow. Pears are pretty hardy and have fewer diseases and pests than many other tree fruits. Hi, I'm Amy, Master Gardener and Environmental Educator. Welcome to my channel. There are two main types of pears. European pears are that classic pear shape. Asian pears are more rounded like an apple. We grow both in the United States. If possible, planting pears on a north or east slope will benefit the trees in spring. On the south slope, your trees may flower too early and get caught in a late frost. A slope is beneficial because it gives you better water drainage and air movement. Preparing your soil is important. Take a soil sample and have it tested. Pears like a pH of around 5.9 to 6.5. I've shared this before in my other fruit videos, but it's really important to get the tree off to a good start. Put all the ingredients in a wheelbarrow and mix well, then add back into the hole when planting your tree. If you are looking for a good place to buy trees, I highly recommend Fedco. I just got the 2024 tree catalog. I'm not an affiliate, I just like their products. When purchasing pears, pollination requirements are important. This can get a little tricky, especially if you have a small orchard. European and Asian pears can cross pollinate. However, their bloom time doesn't always overlap, so you need to find two or more varieties that have overlapping bloom times. Fortunately, many cultivars like Bartlett and Kiefer have long bloom times and are good pollinators for pear trees. Pears are pollinated by insects, so make sure to be pollinator friendly. Use organic products and spray trees early or late in the day. Like other fruit trees, you can choose between dwarf, semi-dwarf, and standard varieties. Some may not be available in all sizes, but most of us will be planting semi-dwarfs for a home orchard. If you have a very small yard, you will want dwarfs. Check out the website article for more about choosing tree sizes. Fire blight can be an issue for pears, especially if they are near susceptible apple varieties. Purchase resistant varieties. For Zone 6 friends, I found Kiefer to be resistant to fire blight, even when it was near a Honeycrisp apple tree that had it. For disease-resistant Asian pears, my choice is Shinko. I have a video on managing pests and diseases in the fruit orchard that I will link below. European and Asian pears are harvested differently. Typically, European pears are harvested on the firm side and given a few days to ripen on the shelf. This makes them sweeten up. Asian pears are allowed to ripen fully on the tree. They can be picked and eaten immediately. Summer producing pears don't have a great shelf life. They will last 7 to 10 days in the fridge. Pears that ripen early fall are often called winter pears because they store better. Anjou pears are good pears to grow for a storage variety. They will get sweeter in storage. You can store pears in a root cellar for 2 to 3 months. Keep the temperature between 32 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit and the humidity between 80 and 90%. There are some surprisingly fun ways to prepare pears, like putting them in a chocolate pie or cooking them with a little red wine for a zing. And of course, pear jam and pear butter are always big hits. Please boop that like button if you have gotten some good information from this video. Thanks for watching and have a fabulous day.